Okay, welcome to EIS Music Art Studio. This is Xavi. So today we are going to be working on another character. This one here. Okay. I created this character with the grease pencil. This is a 2D character. And I'm going to turn this character from 2D to 3D. So let me see how we will do that. First thing that we notice is that this character is already showing kind of like a T-pose, and that's what we want to facilitate our modeling. However, let's go ahead and take this character. We're going to lift it up a little bit more right here. And so let's do another thing for this. We're gonna select this. We're gonna press Shift D to duplicate, and we are going to save. We're going to hide this one, the original one. This one, we're gonna call this one guide. Very good, beautiful. And for the guide, we just need, let's see what we're going to use for the guide. Okay, so of course we want all the parts of the head. So let me just bring this over here. This one is, we can just do it over here and get rid of this one, and this from there. Yeah, that's, and work on this part only. See, that's easier instead of going to each one and separate them. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna do it like that. The faster the better. So just gonna come over here, go to edit mode, and so it doesn't look like this. I'm just going to either come over here, edit lines. We can get rid of this one there like this, or just simply select this part over here. Either one would be fine. Okay, let's select this. Okay, so we will come. First, we are going to select this part. I prefer the lasso one. Get it closer. It will be very interesting how I'm going to model this, the mouth. Look how it is. Very interesting. Very interesting character to create in 3D. Very interesting. Okay, let's see. Right there, like this. Okay, I'm forgetting this part. That's okay. Press Shift and select this part over here as well. See? We can press L to just select the head. Let me just move this one up. Beautiful. So we have the head over here. That's good. Another thing that we will do, we will put it in another layer. This part we're going to put in another layer, and we're going to name it based on the part of the character. For example, okay, go to stroke, move to layer, and we can press M as well. Let's press M. Okay, so we're going to press M, and new layer. We're going to call this one head. We're going to call that one head, and we're going to put guide. Okay, here it is. We're going to take this one, we're going to put it all the way up. Okay, good. So now this is in a separate layer. Beautiful. Now, the next part that we need is we want select this part over here. Okay, this part, right? We select this part. Yes, and press L. See, when you press L, it will select part of that we don't really want. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this here, and we're gonna press X and delete. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing over here, X and delete. The reason that we're doing this, now we can select this again, press L, and now it will not select the part, those parts that we don't want, since this part over here, and it's already separated. See that? So we can, that's another way of doing it. Okay, see? So now we can just easily press M, new, and let's call this one boot guide. Okay, we can just take this, put it right over here. Let's rotate it. For now, it's temporarily. Okay, now the next part that we want is this part. This part over here. Press L, and let's bring this one down. Let me rotate it a little bit because it's going to be straight down. And let's put this one, press M. This one is lower, we can call that lower leg. Guide. Nice. And don't worry about this part. This we're just going to work on one side. We're gonna mirror the other one. So let's take this again. Select this one, maybe. See, let me show you. This one, press X, and now we can easily take all these. This is just one line. We're gonna recreate all these anyway. So this is just one. This one. See. That one. Let me just put this one here and press leg. Let me put upper leg. We really doesn't need that part, but guide. Just in case we need it. It's gonna be there. Okay, so let me do I can easily take this part. Let me get the cape first. We go over here and put these right there. We press L. We're gonna select all this part, which is we don't want. We want this one, but that's okay. We can get rid of it. That's part of the cape. This is part of the cape. What else is part of the cape? That's it. Then press M. here put Cape Guide. And now we will come, we're gonna select these because this is part of the leg. We're gonna press L, we're gonna delete that. We don't need that. And then we don't need these. Okay, let me hide the cape now. See? So that means I can easily take this part right there. That part, press X and delete. Very good. Okay, now we will do is, let's take the upper body, the upper arms. This one is part of the arm, press L, and this is part of the arm. Oh, these, press L, and only we have these. Okay, good. And let me press M and put arm guide. Beautiful, beautiful. And we're gonna put it right there, and we're going to rotate it a little bit this way. That's it. As I said, we don't need this part, so we can just easily take this, press X and delete. We will take all these right there, and maybe L, X to delete. That's it. So we have what we need. Let me take this one right there, and even this. Press L, and we're gonna put M and new, and we will put torso. We're gonna write torso guide. There you go. This is an easy way to separate your grease pencil in parts. As you can see, I arranged the parts to make a T-pose. Okay, now that we have the front view, let's work on the side view. So let's put some guidelines. On the eyes. It doesn't have to be that perfect either. Okay, here's the nose. Here's the nose over here, and the chin. Again, this is like rough, very rough. So we have this part over here. Interesting that we have the eyes right over here. Right over here we have the eyes. This is where we have the eyes over here. And we have these in here coming over here like that. Okay, this is all. The nose is over here. So we're gonna put kind of so the nose coming. So we're gonna have these over here. Mouth. It's wide open from here to here. It's wide open. Because we're gonna have those right in there. And it's gonna be coming from here to there like that. See? From there. Here is the ears. The ears is gonna be coming from there and here. Then here's the chin. We're gonna put the chin a little bit more like right there. Here's these. Chest is here. This is the chest. So the chest is coming. This is the tip of the chest. So it's, but we want this one here. Like that. See the chest coming here. It's gonna be like this. This part is gonna be here. This is gonna be right over here, flat. Everything is flat over here. Till we get to this part. This is the part that in here. We're gonna put this one a little bit in. But it's gonna come from there. Uh-oh, this one is wrong. So this is gonna be here and right. Maybe up a little bit more. Right there. Just a simple cleanup. Let's say this one here. Here's the mouse. It's gonna be open over here, so we're gonna just leave it like that. For the eyes, to make sure that it's in the right place, I just took these and put it right there. That's what I did. Okay, so maybe the ears is gonna come somewhere from here. Depends on how long it is. Now the nose is a little bit different because the nose is gonna be kind of over here. Yeah, that's good. And look at the mouse. It's kind of over here. Yep, that's fine. That's fine. What we can do is this tooth 1 and 2 over here. Maybe we can put this one here. We can just take that. Take those. Let me do this one too. Let me throw those two as well. Maybe this one here, this one, and this one. Those. Let me take those, and those we can put those right kind of over here like that. Yeah, that's fine. Let me change it to another. Let me put in another layer. Let me press M and put teeth. Okay, that's in another layer. Maybe we can just move it forward a little bit more. We don't need this, just that. And let me move it forward a little bit more. That's good. You see? Yeah. So let's do this. Let's see. Erase this. Just erase this because it's gonna come something like that. Okay. And of course it's gonna have this as well over here somewhere. This one over here. Alright. Beautiful. That's it. That's it. Maybe this one down a little. Let me fix this. That one is here. We need to lift this one up a little bit more. No, that's fine. That's fine. That is okay. Okay, I guess we are done. Oh, another thing that I did. The arm, this arm. Okay. It is for the top view. So 7. See that? And again, it's not a straight line. It's not like this. Look how it is. It is kind of like this and this. See? Moving back a little bit and like this. Okay, and I did it in 4 parts. This is part 1. This is part 2. And this is part 3. And the hand. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select. We got to make sure that we select the teeth as well, so we can rotate it at the same time. So select all of it, press A, go to the side view, press R, Z, 90. Beautiful. That's what we want. Front view, side view, and side view. Okay, good. This guy, we are ready to model this character. Yes, nice.